Hello kids, today we will learn parts of computer. As human body has many parts and each part does special tasks. Similarly, computer also have many parts. Let's take a quick look to some of them. So kids, as we have the body parts like hands, eyes, ears, same like that computer also has some important parts that works special tasks uh, according to parts. So let's start with the basic parts of the computer. Monitor. What is monitor? It looks like screen, TV screen. Whatever you do on computer get displayed on it. Why we use the monitor? That used for displaying the values on the computer. Next is CPU. CPU is stands for Central Processing Unit. CPU full form: C for Central, P for Processing, U for Unit. It is also called the brain of the computer. Mouse. Next is mouse. It is a pointing device. What is this? This is pointing device. It is mainly used to point and select item on the screen. So on the monitor, what you want to select is done by mouse. It is a pointing device also we can say. Next is keyboard. Keyboard contains small buttons. What we call them? Keys. That is small buttons over the keyboard are keys. It helps to type words, symbols and numbers. Why we use the keyboard? To type words, symbols and numbers. Next is printer. It helps to print the work done on a computer on a paper. So from hard copy, convert the digital copy, soft copy to hard copy, we use printer which prints our work that shown on the monitor to our paper. Next is speakers. It is generally used to listen to music and any other sound from the computer. Why we use the speakers? It is used to listen music and that other sound like movies, that run on the computer, we use speakers. Next is it is UPS. UPS stands for uninterrupted power supply. It is used to provide power backup to computer during power failure. When our electricity gone, that UPS turned on the computer for a minute. That's why you save your task, save your work in the computer. Like you are working on any MS Paint and design something, and your work will not lose using UPS. So if you can save, then your computer will be off. Next is headphone. It is a small speaker that you wear over your ears in order to listen to music. It uses for listen the music or other sound privately without disturbing others. But in a speaker, it listen by every users that can listen. Next is exercise. Let's do some questions over it. The part of a computer that shows that whatever is being typed by the keyboard is type and printer. Printer is used to print on the paper. Mouse is used for pointing. Speaker is used to listen the music. And which one is the output device? This is monitor, which used to show the data on the computer. What we type. Which of the following parts of a computer is also known as a pointing device? We just read about that pointing device is mouse. Unscramble the letters of the given word and identify the uses. Let's learn about that first option. What is this? This is ERTINRP. In which it is? This is printer. PRINTER. Why we use the printer? Used to type? No. For the typing we use keyboard. It is used to play music? No. when we use play music, we use mouse or speakers. It is used to watch movies. No. Monitor we using for watching movies. It is used to print letters and symbols on a sheet of paper. Yes. So it prints the data on the paper. Next is, usually your teacher uses a chalk while writing on a black board. Similarly, which of the following part of computer is required to write on the computer? Which part we are using for typing? We using keyboard. Next is, I am the most important part of a computer that tells other parts of a computer what to do. In our body, which is one is the part of the our body is using for give the commands what to do? Our brain. So who is the brain of the computer? It is CPU. Match the following. Keyboard. Why we use the keyboard? Keyboard contains various keys on which letters, numbers or symbols are printed. Mouse has 2 or 3 buttons, right? May it have 2 or 3 buttons. Printer used to print the information. Then A having 2, B having 3 and C having 1. So where is the matches? A. Next is, Abhinav has made a list of his friends he wanted to invite on his birthday. Which part of computer can help him to print the list of the paper? Using printer. Which part of computer allows you to type words and numbers by pressing buttons available on it? Which part of the computer allows you to type words? Keyboard. The term typing and clicking are related to and parts of a computer, especially typing related to keyboard and clicking related to mouse. Where is the answer? Mouse, keyboard? No, mouse is not using for typing. Mouse and printer is not using for clicking. Keyboard and mouse, yes, keyboard for typing and mouse for clicking. Next is, the part of a computer designed to be used on a flat surface and generally has 2 buttons and a wheel. On mouse we have 2 buttons and 1 wheel. So this is mouse. Ria is watching her favorite cartoon movie on a computer. Due to which part of a computer Ria is able to hear the sound of the movie? Using CPU? No, it controls the part of the computer. Keyboard is used for typing. Yes, speaker is used to listen the music. Next is direction 12 to 13. Observe the given image and answer the questions that allows. My name is Perth. I am 7-year-old. My roll number is 10. The part of computer used to enter data is shown is called keyboard. Yes. The part of computer that display the above enter sentence. Which one is the output device? Mouse? No, it is input. We can't display the data over it. Monitor? Yes. Select the incorrect match. Monitor? Yes. This is central processing unit, CPU? Yes. This is mouse, but what is written over here? Webcam. So it is answered, which is incorrect. This is keyboard. Select the incorrect statement. A monitor can be used to watch movies? Yes. A mouse can be used to drawing picture? Yes. A CPU is called a brain of a computer? Yes. Speaker are used to record video? No. Webcam is used for record the video. So answer is D. Thank you kids. Follow and share and practice these questions. Bye bye.